Myth number one is doing high reps for definition. This is the idea that by upping the amount of reps you perform per set, you're going to make your muscles more defined, and you're going to hear loads of people doing this when they want to get cut. Now, this is absolute rubbish. Your muscles either get bigger or they don't. They don't get more defined based on how you train them. Definition comes down to one thing, and that's the amount of fat covering the muscle. So if you want to have defined muscles, you need to have low levels of body fat. If you want to have low levels of body fat, you have to go onto a cutting diet to burn your fat. But you must always carry on training your muscles in the same way, and that's to train them for maximum hypertrophy. And you do that by training in a specific rep range, which we're going to look at later on in the course. Just to give you an idea of definition and prove that it comes down to your body fat, if you take a starving child, they are very, very defined because they have low levels of body fat. They're not training any differently, they just have low levels of body fat, and as a result you can see every strand of muscle in their body. So the takeaway is this: when you want to get defined, train as normal and just go onto a cutting diet.